Oh yeah. Oh no. Blizzard messed up. Season of Discovery invades anniversary. I don't know if anyone has clips of this or what happened, but basically SOD players were queuing into what's it called? SOD players are queuing into anniversary players and just one-shotting them. Like, dude, let's see.
Oh my god. I'm literally in fresh AV on my Season of Discovery character. Oh my god, Blizzard. Can't wait to use my trinket.
Oh no.
This is ridiculous. Am I the only SOD character in this entire BG? I'm like a twink right now. This is crazy. Here we go. This is really terrible.
Hold on. Spine Shatter. Spine Shatter, guys, can we confirm that's an era, or no, not era, that's an anniversary realm? That's an anniversary realm. Spine Shatter? Yes. That's my server. Azimos is on his SOD character. Oh my gosh.
Terrible. I'd say I can't believe it, but I actually can.
Oh my god.
Of course they didn't do any QA testing on this.
Oh my gosh.
Bruh. Blizzard Entertainment.
Future, bro.
Backstab.
Oh
The incompetence on this is absolutely astounding. Don't worry boys, Rogue Tank here. Oh, you guys went fresh to avoid SOD, huh? Welcome back to Season of Discovery. Oh look, they're all buying Chrono Boons. Look at this.
So there's a Chrono Boon vendor in AV and they're all trying to buy it because it's cheaper because it's SOD prices.
No more. You've had enough. These guys all level to 60 on fresh, just to get pummeled by SOD characters in Nax gear.
Oh my god.
That's classic WoW.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I'd be so mad if this happened.
Oh shit.
I mean, Azimos seems like he's having the time of his life though, right? Like this is the moment. It's just like, oh man, this is amazing. Yeah, it's the most fun you could ever have. Yeah. Everyone's just like,
oh no,
getting owned.
We actually have a rogue tanking Vandar. This is so bad. This is so ridiculous. Anniversary hype. Anniversary hype.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, they took the servers offline. You can't do this anymore. But yeah, yesterday SOD players were queuing into anniversary players in battlegrounds, and that is hilarious, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.